Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
At 1:27 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over the El Dorado and Apple Burn Scar. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Birch Creek, Potato Canyon, Little San Gorgonio Creek, Percy Creek, Glen Martin Creek, Oak Glen Creek, Wilson Creek, Mountain Home Creek, San Gorgonio River, Potrero Creek, Mias Canyon, Corral Canyon, Miller Canyon, and the South Fork of the Whitewater River. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding in and around the El Dorado and Apple Burn Scar. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the El Dorado and Apple Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Southern Mount San Gorgonio, Beaumont, Banning, Highway 38 between Yucaipa and Onyx Summit, Mountain Home Village, Kali Mesa, Cherry Valley, and Morongo Indian Reservation. Winter storm warning for the following areas in California.
So this was today's flash flood warning so far. Apparently only these 3 radios over here, and also this one over here, went off for the flash flood warning. It wasn't that active, but it's been a while since I've seen the heard the recom's warning siren. As you may have seen in the video, I've gotten this in a extremely low quality video and a much higher quality audio file from my phone. Thanks to my stepdad was able to get the video clip for me, so that was awful nice of him. Anyways, that's basically it. Hopefully we get some more alerts today, so that would be really cool. But yeah, this weather radio went off as well. I think I may have told you. But yeah, that's basically it.